from Hyundai Global High-Tech Team.
Hello, I'm Na Kyuk, and I'm a nature lover. Nice to meet you.
This car really goes well with trees in a green forest, doesn't it? We are here to introduce you to the Elantra Hybrid. After the release of the Elantra HD's LPI Hybrid in 2009, this is the reborn, all-new Elantra Hybrid in 11 years. One of the key design features of this hybrid model is that it is nearly identical to the basic model. Our past focus was to increase fuel efficiency, so the design was also focused on aerodynamics. This time, it's different. The hybrid model was under consideration from the beginning, so the aerodynamic performance was already excellent and the design was complete, so there was no reason to redesign it in any way. If you look inside here, you can see the advantage of the new third-generation platform. The platform was designed with the hybrid model in mind from the beginning, so the battery was inserted under the back seat. That way, we could give the same legroom and trunk space as standard gasoline models.
You know, fuel efficiency is very important for hybrids. What's the car's mileage?
The certified combined fuel efficiency is 21.1 kilometers per liter. The certified city fuel efficiency is 21.4 kilometers per liter.
This is an amazing figure given the spacious room and the 16-inch alloy wheel.
On a full tank of gas, it can go 886 kilometers. That will take you from Seoul to Busan and back again. Makes me want to buy one too. If you often travel long distances, you will be able to enjoy this car's incredible fuel efficiency when you drive with the smart cruise control with stop and go. We can get this great mileage thanks to a specialized 6-speed double-clutch transmission.
Then, the N-Line is 7-speed, but why is the hybrid 6-speed?
In a hybrid car, since the engine is aided by the motor, a 6-speed is better than a 7-speed for mileage and performance. As for the battery, the standard battery and the driving battery have been combined into a new, high-density battery which reduces both weight and volume. Thanks to the data and know-how that we have gained over the years of developing hybrid models, the engine, motor, and transmission all have very refined settings. Because the motor gives its full support with maximum torque from the beginning, you can feel a rhythmical sense of acceleration. Compared to the Ioniq hybrid, its 0 to 100 km per hour speed has become faster to 10.5 seconds from the previous 10.8.
They say that the brakes have an integrated electric booster. What does that mean?
The four components that create and control brake pressure were combined into one, improving the response of the brake. The feeling of stepping on the brake and of regenerative braking are all very natural and smooth.
I also heard the hybrid has a multi-link rear suspension.
Right. Each wheel is controlled separately to make your everyday ride more comfortable. The Elantra Hybrid goes really well with the green nature. Beyond the amazing mileage, there's one more nature-friendly feature. In green zones, where you need to keep the air clean, like big hospitals or schools, it switches to the electric mode. In addition, before entering green zones, where the motor will be used a lot more, the car will charge the battery beforehand, a really smart point.
You can enjoy superior fuel efficiency and an amazing driving experience, all with proven design, space, and options. This car really didn't take a single thing away. Instead, it added more functions.
I hope this helps you make your choice. It's time for us to go.
Bye.